Hey guys, happy Sunday. This is Cowman from Trade for Freedom. We're going to do some stock reviews over the weekend. And before we move forward, this is our disclaimer. So have a look at it for the next couple of seconds before we move forward. Okay. So the first stock we're going to have a look is SPY. Okay, let's see what's happening with SPY today. Okay. So SPY, as mentioned, this is a diamond that I drew a long time ago. This expanding diagonal, it broke out of the trend line of the diamond, went into another expanding diagonal. So it's still in an expanding diagonal like this. Okay, so this is all basically for SPY. I think we did a pretty good job. We mapped out this move and now we mapped up this move. So the two things that can happen over here. One, it can have a solid breakout where it overshoots the channel. Two, it rejects the channel and it goes one more down. Okay, at least retrace to 50%, or it makes another low towards the bottom of the expanding diagonal. Okay, that's for SPY. Next, we have Meta. Let's see what's Meta doing. Okay, Meta was nice. So basically it broke out, okay, and then it went to market cycle 3. Came down, retested this market cycle 2, went up again, had a double top, then it went down. So there are two possible scenarios once it made a double top, which we actually predicted. Okay, one, it made a double top, and we have two possible scenarios. One is for the price to go down like this, okay, and two, it's for it to break out. So in this case, Meta broke out. Okay, so Meta broke out of the channel, and as of now, it's looking like it's bullish. Okay, so you can even see on the bigger time frame, we have a massive channel. Okay, we have a massive channel at the top. It's at the extreme level. So the main thing is we got to see if this reverses sharply or it goes into a bull flag. So if it goes into a bull flag with an ABC zigzag correction, and then it goes with a breakout after that, for example, like this, and then Meta is going to be bullish towards the upside. If it reverses very strongly and it goes down like this, goes back into this zone, and then it goes up and then it goes down, and then probably Meta is still being caught in a range. So as of now, with this price action, it looks like Meta is bullish to the bullish side, but we will know once the market starts to make a correction at this area, at this price about 670. All right. So next up, we have SOFI. Okay, SOFI was pretty obvious. Okay, we had this one called out. So it came down, it pushed up. Now it's at the top of the triangle once more. So Meta is basically, SOFI basically is in a range. It's going from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. Finally, it's going to either break out towards the top or it's going to break out towards the bottom. For now, with this rejection on the 12-hour chart, I'm expecting the price to drop a bit towards the bottom part of the trend line. If market opens strong on Monday and it pushes up or it gaps up, then probably this might be a breakout. But let's see. Okay, still early to tell. Next, we have IREN. Okay, IREN, basically, we are at this range right now where we are expecting IREN to go up at the bottom of the trend line, because this is another big triangle. So it did not move from here. Okay, it went down a bit. We are expecting the price to actually start going up. However, it went towards the top. Okay, it went like that, and there is a resistance over here. So it's testing the resistance. Okay, this is a resistance. We have a weak here. First try to break, second try to break. So two things can happen. One is IREN is going to drop further lower like this, grabs liquidity and starts to go up. Two, it can go to the bottom, and then now it's basically in a range. You have tops and bottoms. We're in the middle of the range. It can actually break on top of the range like this and to go up. So basically, IREN, we are looking for long-term for price of IREN to go up. It's only whether it's going to break up, retrace, go up, or it's going to go further down a bit before going back up. Okay, so that's IREN. Next, we have Netflix. Let's see Netflix. Okay, Netflix, initially when we had a look, we expected the price to go down a bit more. Let's see on a bigger weekly time frame. Yeah, it's basically now it's testing the important area, which is about $70. Okay, so the resistance now is trying to become support. Okay, so basically we have a 1, 2, A, B, C. So we have an A, B, C correction. We are looking for the end of wave. So it's basically A, B, and it's 1, 2, A, B, C, 4. Okay, it's going to go down a bit before it goes up. Okay, it's trying to find its wave 5. So I'm expecting it to push down to about maybe about 67, 68, even up to $65 before making a price push to the upside. Okay, so that will be Netflix. It's still on the way down, but it's trying to find its bottom for a push towards the upside. Okay, before we move forward, this is our website, tradeforfreedom.co. Please go to our website, create an account. You have all of this for your perusal. You have got the sector heat map, top movers, top losers. You have upcoming events with priorities. You have your own watch list that updates in real time. Join us on Discord if you haven't already joined yet. Upgrade to VIP if you see what you like. Okay. So next up we have SKHYV. SK Hynix. Okay, let's see. Okay, SK Hynix basically it just came to the market from what I can see here. So it started up about 175, one they pushed down and pushed up. Okay, it's in the range now. Okay, it's in a massive range. Nothing you can actually see from SK Hynix. You got to let this one play out a bit more first before we can determine if it's a potential bullish stock or not. For now, it's too early to tell. And the last one will be ONDS. Let's have a look at ONDS. So on this, we are because it broke out, okay, of this trend line like this on this, okay, like so it's like this and like this, okay. So if it broke out of this trend line of a triangle, we are expecting it to make an ABC correction, okay. So we're expecting a wave 5 down to about the $6 mark at this rate, okay. It might not go that low, it might go slightly a bit lower, but this is the range we're expecting the price to go with a bit of support here as well before making a push back to the upside. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for joining us. Hope you enjoy these videos and find these videos useful. And good luck moving forward and have a good trading week. Ciao, guys.